This video is going to show you how to take something you created in InDesign and how you can export it to a PDF for the ultimate quality, and then how you can print it for our project. So I have my poster here I created. I'm going to press Command minus so I can zoom out a little bit and see the whole thing. It's looking ready to go. I actually liked it better without this background, so I'm actually going to take this background, press the delete key. I'm going to leave this nice clean white background because I think that's a little more trending in style. When I look at brands that are popular, it seems they use this white background a little more, so I like that. So I'm going to save that since I made that change. And now that I'm ready to print, I'm going to go to File, Export, and it's going to give me some options here. I'm going to save that poster in my folder on the server. And I'm going to leave it as Matt Singleton poster. And if you look at the format, there's a bunch of options. We're going to select Adobe PDF print. Now, we already have a Matt Singleton poster, but it's an InDesign document. This one's going to have a .pdf at the end. So we're just going to leave that like that, and we're going to press save. A bunch of information will come up about how we want to do this. It's all fine how it is generally. I'm going to say export, and you can see that it's exporting here on this background taskbar. It's already done. So I'm now going to close out Adobe InDesign, and I can go here and quit InDesign actually. It might take a little second to quit there. Then I'm going to go to the Holmes Journalism folder. I'm going to go to my class period folder. I'm going to go to my name, and I'm going to open the PDF. Now, I'm going to show you a little trick. If I open it right now, it's going to open it using Adobe, not Adobe, it's going to open it using Apple Preview. And I want to open it using Adobe because there's just more printing options. So I'm going to control click this icon of the poster, and I'm going to go to Open With, and instead of Preview, which is the default, I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat. This gives me a little more options in printing, so I'm going to open it with Adobe Acrobat. So when it opens up, it should look something like this. If something like this comes up, you can press Don't Show Me Again and say yes. It's making that the default for you. And here's your poster. It should look pretty good. You'll notice that the image probably looks clearer than it did in InDesign. It's because InDesign just makes a copy of the image before when it exports, it actually puts the image in there. And to print it now, I'm going to go up here to File, Print, File, Print. And I have some options here. The first thing is going to be to select the correct printer for what we're doing. We're going to select, you should see HP Color LaserJet M750. You're going to select that one. And you'll notice right now the page size is 8.5 by 11. That's a standard sheet of paper. We designed this to be a mini poster on that tabloid side. So we're going to go down here to Page Setup. It might ask you a thing. You can say don't show this message again and say yes. And here where it says paper size, we're now going to change it not to tabloid oversized, but to tabloid. And we'll say OK. And you should see now it's 11 by 17 inches. Then you'll press print. And now your image is headed to the printer and printing out on this mini poster size. And you've created your image and printed it. That's it.